pushing the heat over toward the coast. Now, here's our cold front that will slide through tomorrow during the day. So the rain and then the clouds will clear from north to south. And then we are going to turn much cooler behind this front. In fact, after tomorrow night, tomorrow evening, it is going to be downright chilly in central Florida. And you will feel that briskness in the air. Sunday morning so cold that we'll likely have freezing temperatures in our northern communities with a very breezy and cool afternoon. In fact, many of us won't even make it out to the 50s for highs on Sunday, especially in our northern areas. So Ocala is one of the spots that will be coldest. We're watching for freezing potential for Sunday and Monday morning. And then look at our highs. Saturday upper 60s as well as Monday. We'll only be in the upper 50s in Ocala in the afternoon. So it's going to be a little last of the winter here after having a really warm couple of weeks around here. Today we're at 73 by noon. Scattered showers here and there through the day into the evening, but especially overnight and early tomorrow, thanks to that front. Then we turn colder and drier Sunday and Monday, temperatures below average, but notice it doesn't last very long. We're back in the mid to upper 70s by next Tuesday and Wednesday. 6:51 now. Here's Kimberly.
And Amy, we do have a new accident to tell you about in Orlando.